Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Today, I have an exciting software or platform to review with you and to hopefully walk you through how to make money through apps. Okay, so this might be new for some of you, but I think it's really exciting, and apps building is a great way to earn money. And you might not be aware, but there's these platform. There's a lot of different platform, but I picked this one platform, Andromo, because it's really affordable, and not only that, but it's really easy for beginners. And you get a lot of bangs for your bucks when you sign up for this different plans here. And I'm going to be walking you through what they have to offer right now. They have three different tiers right now. The first tier is the hobbyist, and did you know that this plan basically just help you to make an app and not so much of advertising or making advertisement or earn money from the app. It is more of something that you can use for your company or for your business, small business or your restaurant, etc. Um, for personal or small business use that you don't need to earn money through posting it to um, AdMob or Facebook or other places on the platform here to earn money. Now, the other two options, which is the Pro, you get a lot for your money, which is you can get 300 projects and you can get 10 gigabyte of storage. And not only that, you get a custom package name, meaning they have a domain name for you, and you can basically publish all this stuff on Google and Amazon. Now, just to let you know that they don't have, with this tiers, the middle tiers here, they don't have iOS, which is like publishing on Apples and stuff like that. So with this third plan here, it has unlimited project. You can create a lot for that 1 month that you sign up for. Let's just say that you sign up for 1 month and you can just crank out a lot of projects and you get a lot of storage, you get native ads, and you can monetize it on this platform. And just to let you know, the second and third tier don't have Andromo branding, and you also have iOS on the third plan here, which is pretty good for the money if you have a chance to really ramp up. Now, most people might consider starting out with tier one or two, tier one just to try it out and things like that. So let me just take you behind the screen and show you a little bit about what it does. So the main thing is that you want to have a sketch, like a plan, what kind of project, what kind of apps you want to create, and just really plan it out well. Now, I forgot to mention that earlier that the monthly plan is like this. So if you just want to try it out for the first uh, few months or so to see how it's going, to see if it's worth the money, then yeah, you can try it out with these, and it costs a little bit more versus the annual, so about a couple dollars more. But you just want to see if it's worth it. Then yeah, you can try it out with these plans here. And if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see that the storage is different. The number of bills per month is different. You can bill per month here 100, 1000, and then you can monetize more advanced with the third tiers, and you can take a look and see what they have here. Advanced monetization trials, and you can put ads into your apps and stuff like that. And the third tier is a lot more for your money. Look at this one. I think I forgot to mention that the WordPress blog here. This is something I believe that you can create an app for your WordPress blog and WhatsApp stickers and a lot more. The second and third tier has a QR code reader, meaning that you can bypass the Google and Apple Store, and you can just have somebody scan the QR code and they can get access into your apps and things like that, which is pretty cool. And there's a lot of interesting stories of people who have a lot of success with earning money from apps. And yeah, you can read through the showcase here, and people who make a lot of money from just creating apps, and it just only take a couple hours to create an app for these people and continuously earning money from the ads. It's kind of the same as Google or Google ads or YouTube ads and things like that. This is more ads in the apps. And so if you have a chance to look through it, it's really worth the money if you are able to create something that a lot of people are interested and offer it to everybody for free. For example, like this guy here, he creating an app just to help them to relax and stuff like that. And then people, they go in and there's ads on here, and you get paid on that. So this is a side hustle that people can start a couple hours a week or something. So considering the amount of time that you invest into creating an app, in the beginning it might take you a bit longer, but eventually if you're really good with, you eventually picks up the speed and you learn to figure out what is the need out there, then definitely you can make a lot of money per month passively just creating one app and have it available. So yeah, look at this. This is really interesting. This guy is talking about how he created an app for like his health niche, and he able to make a lot of money. So this is annual amount. So that's probably 1,000 a month or something. Okay, creating does people access the app to find out more information about certain health tips or disease state or medications, uh, you know, side effects, things like that. I think it's really interesting to to figure it out. And then you can check out their reviews here. They're not a new company, and let's consider there's a spiritual app. There's a lot of different uh, ways that you can create here, and they also have a blog academy and a knowledge base for you to pick up on the speed there and making money. And yeah, let's go in. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so I'm inside the app here, and so this is how it looks like. And you can do the easy start. What easy start has is that it has a built-in template for you, and just basically, oops, my bad. You just click on the type that you want. Look at all this different template here. You can do sound, recipe, ebook, fashion, inspire, news, spiritual. So many different options. Okay, look at all this. It's probably like a lot of different in here, probably 20, 30. So you have Toy Story, furniture stores, and they're so beautiful. They already have the template for you. They already have the um, photo gallery for you. All you need to do is press build this app, and then it just walks you through step by step. It's really easy. And of all the other ones that I have, I think this one is so beautifully designed. And you also have a pay access component in here. You know, like a member can log in, and you can restrict or like have a pay um, content in this app is really awesome. Yeah, I was playing around with this one earlier, so I'm just gonna take you back to this one here. Um, yeah, so I was playing around here with this one, and you can see that you can add a lot of different things on here, and step by step they walk you through. You just have to click on how you want the dashboard to look like, the trending, the category, etc., and you can add more things into here. So it's basically sort of like built for you. You just have to answer a couple questions like what you want to do, the colors, and what kind of trend, what kind of stuff you want to put in the next thing, the next swipe and stuff like that. And there's have it all for your dashboard category. It takes some time for you to kind of figure out what things, because there's a lot of component in here. So you can look at this. Like the component have popular layout, media, monetizations, buttons, how you want to adjust it, Firebase component, and that is really awesome. And then you can click on the style, click on the setting. It has, you can change the wallpaper, you can monetize it, and you can put different, yeah, it's just a lot of different ways to monetize here. AdMob, Facebook, Android, ASMob, iOS, and services. It's just really crazy to have a way to track it, you know, your app. And then this is shop e-commerce. If you're interested in creating e-commerce, that they have 50% off offer for you if you want to go that route. But yeah, pretty much the mm, they have a lot of build for you. So there's also images you can pull images. They have a place for you to pull free images from Pixabay already. You know, you just have to type in what you're looking for. If you, let's just say that you want to go create an app for real estate. For example, you want to sell houses, you want to features. Ooh, what is that? Features all this different. Wow, look at all that. Like houses that you offer. Okay, then definitely people can log into your app and see all the houses that your company or your own uh, company offers. You know, anybody interested in selling houses is really great. So I think it has so many different options. You can also create your own Shopify store here or your own e-commerce store here. Or you can do your put your blog posts in here, or you can sell your own digital products. You can sell your own services on here. Let's just say um, you want to you're good at designing the ebook cover for like the book cover for an ebook, or you're good at creating low content books or journals or planners or mini courses, what have you. You can do a lot with this. So you can also advertise your services that, let's just say, one-on-one coaching. You can set a price on here. People can download the app, um, and book a call with you. So the possibility is really endless on this one. So I hope that you have a chance to check it out. And I really like this download images here. And not only that, yeah, you get to do a lot of different things on here. And let's just say that you sign up for just 1 month and you create a dozen different apps, okay? And you load it all up on Apple Store or Google or what have you. And then you just, there you go, you just stick with only that. I wonder if that's possible. And then you just basically make money from that X amount of apps that you make for that 1 month. So hope you have a chance to check it out. And they have a lot of different options and different some languages here too. Media, yeah, look at that. You can do install your YouTube channel on here. You can have your own book library, radio player, now podcast player, photo gallery. This is really and Instagram feeds and everything on an audio player. So this can be like, would it be possible to do a podcast or anything on here? That's really interesting. And yeah, that's you can upload your own PDF document and sell it to people. That is really awesome. This is really a unique platform that you can dabble with and play around and learn how to put ads on here and monetize it. Okay, so I hope you have a chance to check it out. And I'll put the links on the bottom if you like to find out more and get started. Hope to see you in the next video.